How to turn airplane mode on or off on Android device. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the settings of your device, and on the settings of your device, you can see the option of Wi-Fi connection and sharing. So here you can see the option of airplane mode under the manage connection segment. So right now it's toggled off. So just tap on toggle on if you want to toggle on or you want to turn on the airplane mode. Or you can just toggle off this option if you want to turn off the airplane mode. Next, what you can do is just scroll down the status bar, and then here you can see the option of airplane mode. Now tap on the airplane mode and you'll be able to turn on this option of airplane mode. If you want to turn off, you can just directly go to the airplane mode again and tap on it and it will be turned off. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. See you next time.